Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. Final day of the year, guys. Okay, day 365th. Okay, let's wrap this thing up. Quick video. I don't want to take too much of your time because I want you to have some time with your family, spend some time with them. Okay, start this new year off right. And on the last day, let me tell you guys something. Okay, let me just write this down. Okay. Trading view, first of all. Okay, make sure we're using this in 2025. Okay, now these are things you need to do to be a smart investor. Don't limit yourself. Okay, what that means is don't limit yourself to one type of trading area. Don't just do crypto, don't just do forex, or don't just do simple stocks. Okay, diversify yourself. Okay, have a couple long-term stocks in there and then have a couple short-term stocks. Okay, know how these markets move, know how some of these trends move. Okay, first things first, I will say is this: if you see profit, take profit. Okay, now a lot of times, okay, we have time frames set. Like, for example, I want to hold Nvidia all the way to the end of 2025 and buy every time it goes low. Okay, now that's a technique you can always have in your book, but you need to be able to take profit when you are projected to take profit. Okay, don't get greedy to the point where you're holding more than you need to be. Okay, if we look at Nvidia with, let's put the MACD indicator on here. Okay, now I told you guys about this indicator as well, the moving average convergence divergence indicator. Okay, now the main thing about this indicator is it tells you when to buy. Okay, but it's not always right. Okay, however, here it happened to be right when we buy right here. If you would have bought at 134, okay, you see a big move to the upside for a little bit at 134.8. Okay, so when 2025 comes around, you need to be able to figure out these moves right here. Okay, this is a small move, small gain. Okay, but you take it back a few days, a few months, where we were down all the way to 128, 120, right here, all the way down to 129. If you would have bought right here and sold all the way up at 134, look at the indicator, guys. It's literally telling you when to buy, when to sell. So this is one of the main things I would say is use trading view. Okay, use your resources. Okay, don't limit yourself. If you see profit, take profit. Okay, there's always going to be chance to get in the stock. People want you to buy their stock. Think about it. Nvidia wants you to buy their stock. Why won't they drop the stock down? Why won't people sell a lot of profits? Okay, the CEO, a lot of big stakeholders, okay, they're gonna eventually sell their profits, because what's that's gonna do? That's gonna make the stock go lower. Okay, and when it goes down, there's more buying power. That's why whenever you see Nvidia go down, it goes back up, because there's so much buying power. People who can throw millions of dollars around, guys, they have a lot of buying power in the market. They control a lot of these trends, a lot of these moves. So you don't want to get caught up. If you're just playing with 1,000, 2,000, 200, 300, don't get caught up. Take profit, leave. Okay, take profit, get out. Okay, but if you have something like a long-term investment, for example, a long-term investment could be the S&P 500. Okay, I have that on my watch list as well. This, again, you can hold this for longer, but know when to sell. I'm holding this for 5 years on Cash App. 5 years. Okay, the most I'm going to put into this on Cash App is about $200, but I'm going to shift over to Robinhood soon. So I already know what I'm going to do in 2025. It comes around August, September, right? I'm going to shift over to Robinhood, and on that I'm going to have I'm going to have a bigger scale of investing. I'm going to invest $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Okay, so know what you want to do. Okay, not being greedy is also a part of, a big part of what I do. I'm never greedy. Okay, I really don't ever want to sell on a loss, but I'm never greedy. If I see profit, I could take it and get out, be satisfied, right? Understanding different type of investments between long, short, and midterm. Now, don't get caught up because you see your S&P 500 down, for 4 or 5 months, and you're looking to sell and take profit, but the S&P 500 is down. Don't worry too much about a stock like this. This is an ETF. This is an exchange traded fund. Okay, you can day trade this. A lot of people day trade this, but what I do is I have this set as my long term. Okay, it's quote unquote a diverse investment. Blah blah blah. Right, I have that in for my ETF, but my long term is the S&P 500, and midterm to long term is Nvidia. Okay, so anything else I got AMD, I got AMC, okay? AMC, this is the perfect time to buy AMC. Okay, I mean $3.88. It doesn't get lower than this. This is expected. This happened last year. Okay, I mean start of this year. I was aware of this is gonna happen. Okay, I told you guys before. I did a final flip with AMC all the way to $5.17, and I stopped trading it. Okay, I told you guys I'm very disciplined when it comes to this. If you go back when I called $5 on AMC, that was literally one of the last times I day traded this. Discipline. Okay, if I really wanted to, I could have bought again. All my profits, I could have took it and bought again with AMC, but what I didn't do is I wasn't greedy. I took my profit, I took my position, good, I got out. Now there's another squeeze that could happen with AMC sooner or later. Okay, this is a good time to buy it. Throw in 2,000, 1,000 if you want to risk that type of money. Right now, understanding different type of investments and what stock I won't be holding for too long. Always realize what stock you won't be holding for too long, and that's the stock you need to make your plays on. Okay, let's say if I'm holding AMC, you don't want to hold AMC forever, right? That's a short-term volatile stock. Hold it for 4 to 5 months, whatever. Hold it for a few weeks, whatever. Get your profit. What are you going to do with the profit? Okay, what stock I need to sell and shift to a different company. Always have that plan ready. For example, if I sell AMC, I'm going to take that. I'm going to take half of it, put it in my savings account, take half of it, go into NVIDIA, okay? So keep these things in mind, guys. Keep these stocks in mind. Keep these small tactics in mind so you're a smarter investor in 2025. What a year. Okay, thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for all the feedback you've gave me. It's been a wonderful year. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. And I'm looking forward to June and July next year in order to have a successful year. Okay, midway through the month is where we can identify what we're going to do with the rest of our year and whether we're going to be successful or not. Okay, I'm super blessed to have and build a small community of subscribers, of people ready and eager to learn. That's all it takes. Okay, revise these rules before 2025. I wish you all a happy new year. Let's make the best out of it this year. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.